always seek to tonify. Always seek to tonify. Do not immediately, the first day we start healing on yourself or for others, just because मैंने आपको sadist का concept समझाया है, हर जगह पे sadist मत ढूंढते बैठो, ढूंढने पे नहीं मिलेगा. Sadist is always hidden. To trap a sadist, you have to be like a sadist. You have to think one step beyond a sadist. Okay? And then, please understand, 5 masochists or 500 masochists can live together in a room or in a group. 2 sadists cannot live together in a room. One will end up reacting. Okay. When I am doing the Nadi Parikshan for most of you, I am just placing my fingers there, right? And I allow the sadist to come and I am so still. What is a sadist? It is still, it is silent. I am so still कि वो सामने से उत्पात मचाने को आएगा, बोलेगा साले तू कैसे ये रूम में एंटर करेगा. That is the time when I trap and I know exactly कि what that emotion, psychology, behavior, physical ailment from which organ is originating and which is the real sadist. And the sadist, as I told you again, never ever gives any physical symptoms. No physical symptoms. Physical symptoms तो only masochists देंगे. Correct? What did I say? One sadist creates 5 masochists. So when you go to a doctor, दीदी सर ये भी दर्द है, इधर भी है, कभी कभी ये सर्दी जुकाम का भी समस्या है, घुटने भी दर्द करते हैं. All those are masochistic symptomologies. The root cause is hidden. And people come with their दो बैग लेके मेरे पास आते हैं. सर 3 लाख रुपया तो खाली टेस्टिंग में खर्चा किया, अभी तक डॉक्टर को पता नहीं है क्या है मेरे साथ. बट वेरी प्राउड ऑफ दैट. बट सर दोनों पाँव में ना वो झिंझिनाटी चढ़ती है, 24 घंटा झिंझिनाटी चालू है. क्यों चालू है? सब नस चेक करवा लिया, न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट के पास जाकर आया, MRI करवा लिया, कौन सा नस दबा है पता ही नहीं चल रहा है. टिंगलिंग फीट. दीदी सीरियसली that patient spent 3.5 lakhs only on testing. Sadist will not give voice. Which is the manipulator? It will not tell you. Okay. You have to wait and observe very silently. You first start with yourself. What is the sadistic part in your life, or who is your sadist? You have to identify and prepare and then slap a sadist, okay, and back him out of his consciousness, okay. Only then can you take over your life back and your health back. So when you are introspecting, don't start looking at the symptoms, okay, because those, what did I say, a masochist will seek help of another maso. ठीक है? क्यों? क्योंकि खुद से काम पूरा नहीं हो रहा है तो वो चिल्लाएगा, बोलेगा ए सिंगा भाई थोड़ा हेल्प करना. ठीक है? तो दूसरा ऑर्गन भी इन्वॉल्व होगा. In general, I'll explain as we go further where you will find the sadist, but it's always got to do with the mother and the father and the organs related to that. Okay. But symptoms you will see everywhere. Okay. People keep running to heart surgeons. थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे चेस्ट में पेन आया, सीधा हार्ट सर्जन के पास भागो, एक स्टेंट डलवाओ and you feel nice. 97% of angina pain, the root cause is always the right kidney. Father issues. Always. Okay. Father issues. What organ are you treating? Heart. Next time, genuine तकलीफ रहेगा ना, बाईपास किया है तो सेंसरी परसेप्शन ही काट दिया है, तो फिर पता ही नहीं चल रहा है कि हार्ट अटैक आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है. राइट? always seek the sadist out and get rid of the sadistic part in your life first. The moment you get rid of the sadist, see, this is how it is. Sadist is like an anchor, okay? और वो अपने चेन है उसके, और वो बेड़ियों पे मैसोचिस्टों के पांव या ये प्रिजनर्स हैं, करेक्ट? You have to cut this, and all of them will start flowing again. The masochists always see, most masochists are any which ways very honest, very ethical, very empathetic human beings. So they feel cheated, and this feeling they get instantly the moment they have been cheated. But that grip and the law of attraction is such with the sadist that they again and again keep going back to suffer the same thing again and again. Yes? Always seek to tonify. तो मैंने क्या बोला? सेडिस्ट एक ही होता है और मैसोचिस्ट 5 हो सकते हैं, बट बेचारे अलग अलग हैं, साथ में मुट्ठी मिला देंगे ना तो सेडिस्ट को निकाल सकते हैं. गेटिंग इट? न्यूट्रलिटी इज द की. Neutrality is the ultimate key from all the aspects of your entire life. What do we call enlightenment? Being able to think neutrally is the highest form of human evolution. Correct? This was stated by Jiddu Krishnamurti. And trust me, it is 100% right. When I start thinking, these guys come very often. Him and Shubham, they are generally loitering around in my office every now and then, and these are the subjects that we discuss, and we actually say, भैया शुभम लास्ट टाइम परसों ही आया था ना, परसों ही हाँ दोनों ही भैया यहाँ पे पहुँच तो गए तुम्हारे दिखाए हुए रास्ते पे, but bloody hell it's lonely out here.
Conscious detachment.
Because there is nobody else who understands what you understand. Not even probably pinch of it. Getting this? Because it's like most human beings are in the Abhimanyu ke Chakravyuh mein. Correct?
No, the knowledge makes you lonely. No?
Yes, it does.
Because you cannot explain.
The knowledge
because
and the wisdom.
Samevala will never understand what you're talking.
Huh.
So it is a waste of your energy trying to explain
Huh.
to the other person.
And so you turn silent.
Yeah, you
Trust
turn
me.
silent, and silence, once you grow accustomed to it, then you don't like anything. Then it disturbs the family. So it is a
I am very
difficult-
entertaining. Everybody knows. I am very full of entertainment.
I'm not talking about you.
I know.
But you know,
Detach the anchor by not hunting for it in the first place. We'll go again. So what do I mean? Always seek to tonify. With the singing bowls, I will explain. Yang and yin. इसमें भी दोनों हर चीज, the whole universe is yang yin. This is yang, this is yin. Lingam, yoni. Correct? Same thing. When you strike something that is maximum yang, that is tonification. Correct? As I said, 95% are masochists. तुम्हारा काम बहुत आसान है, masochist को तो सपोर्ट ही करना है तुमको. Correct? What is yin? क्या करता है yin? मैनिपुलेट करता है, सबको गोल घुमाता है. Correct? ब्लैक होल है. But that is also maximum potential energy, right? There is no good or bad in any of it. So let's say if I really want to help someone, I will use both, right? जहाँ पे deficiency हो चुकी है, okay, सबसे पहले I will use to tonify by supporting it with the yang, by striking the balls on different organs or different whatever चक्रा वक्रा जो भी बोलना है आप लोग को अपना everybody to their own self. I don't believe in too much chakra system, but हाँ, it's more, I'll explain what it is, how it really functions. And then there is replenishment of real energy, okay, which comes from our kidneys. That is where it is stored. Okay. The rimming part, so I keep insisting to everybody, कि शांति से rim the bowls. Find a bowl. Not every bowl actually is yin. ढूंढना पड़ता है. मैं भी ढूंढता हूँ, जब 25-50 bowls ढूंढता हूँ, उसमें से एक super efficient yin bowl हाथ में पकड़ में आता है. Those bowls, they fill the kidney yin, which is directly connected to our ancestral heavens or our ancestry itself, and all our virtues, who we are, our behaviors, what we want to achieve, all of that is actually coming from there. But because most people in today's times automatically become deficient of the kidney essence or the kidney yin, we forget or we get confused as to what we really want out of our lives. Okay? People come, I am a very casual, laid back person. Someone will say, तेरे को ऐसा करना चाहिए, तेरे को वैसा करना चाहिए, तू ऐसा करेगा तो इतना करोड़ बनाएगा. Like, I know my natural destiny, I know my horoscope, and I am very happy with it. I don't want to achieve anything 100%. I'm like, किसी को मेरा नाम भी याद नहीं रहेगा तो चलेगा मेरे को तो. I am happy now. I am sorry. Because I am 100% in tune with my ancestral heavens. What my ancestors had been working to fundamentally achieve, not only for me as an individual, but for the whole family tree. Okay. I am able to deliver that much, that is more than sufficient. Okay. So first and foremost, we need to reconnect to the lower dantian, which is connected to both the kidneys. Okay. We will learn this in the 3:2 systematically. How the energy and the information and the virtues flow from the kidney and the lungs as a connection, which I call as the spiritual axis. Okay. Most people who are seeking spirituality, or either who turn to spirituality, okay, or are not able to turn to spirituality, or उनके behavioral archetypes कैसे बनते हैं, but where that confusion is, because they know that there is something from my ancestral or heavens which is trying to work through me, but I am not able to interpret the messages correctly, and so they are constantly seeking कि कहीं पे वो बस एक clue मिल जाए and I will be on my way. So we will learn how to recreate that connection. Okay. How to use the lung and the kidneys as the great mobilizer of energy, consciousness and information, which creates an energy torus across our entire body. So, ये left kidney यहाँ पे है, lung यहाँ पे है suppose. Yes, sorry, the other way around. Sorry. Okay. The moment we create this axis of the lower dantian and the middle dantian, okay, it creates an axis or an energy torus which starts flowing, and this is infinity. Okay. Do you really think I sat down and studied all these things? Never. Just the breath and sound, breath and sound. and become a sadist. Information comes to you, masochist आके देकर जाते Okay, sound, or why the science of sound and the singing bowls, we'll come to that. Everything integrates at a point.